Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So let's begin. Alright guys, the first thing I'm gonna say is something that you've heard a million times already by now, but I'm gonna say it anyway. This phone is so thin when it's unfolded, like, it's crazy. It's literally the thickness of a USB-C port, and it's amazing. It just feels so good to hold in the hand. The hype is real. It's just such a sleek build, and when you fold it up like this, it's like you're holding a normal phone, thickness-wise. Like, it's not even like you're holding a folding phone, but you are, because it's so thin when you unfold it. I don't know if you could tell, but it's really nice and I really like it. Also, I know other companies making folding phones have made thin ones like this before, and this is Samsung's first. But I would still pick Samsung over the other ones for a couple of reasons. One, I'm in North America, so it's just easier to get Samsung products than the other ones, and it's just any retailer you go to, any phone provider you go to, they all carry this in case you don't want to buy it outright. And two, I prefer Samsung's ecosystem and their software over the others. It's just that simple. So you can tell why going with this for a thin foldable is a no-brainer for me and many other people. But looking at this, it's undeniable how good of an experience this really is. Because unfolded, you get a bigger 8-inch display versus 7.6 from last year. And even though this crease is still there, you get used to it when you're using the phone and it's like it's not even there. And besides, having a big screen like this in such a small form factor like this, it's just so nice when you want to watch YouTube or like you're doing productive things like email or Word documents or whatever productive things you do, split screen. It's just such a useful thing to have. As for the display tech itself, it looks to be the same as last year, but I'm not complaining. It's bigger. Now my favorite thing this year, apart from the slimness and all the other things this does well, is actually the front display. Because they made this bigger this year as well, with 6.5 inches versus 6.3 from last year. Before, I thought the same thing that I did with the Flip series, where you unfold that phone, the screen was too narrow to type on properly. This is a lot better. You know, they made it bigger, but I would still prefer it to be a little bit wider. Still, this is much better for me. Another thing that's better this year are the cameras. Not the wobble that you get when you put this down on a table, but the actual cameras themselves, they are better. The inside ditches the under display camera that they had, so this results in a hole punch, but better quality, and all around, I'll take it. And the rear cameras are also upgraded with a 200 megapixel main sensor. It all seems very promising, because paired with the fact that you get a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in here, so performance should be better, plus the thinness of the phone, plus the cameras, like this is looking really good. It's almost perfect. Almost, because the battery is still the same at 4,400 milliamp hours this year, so they didn't increase it. I would have loved to see an increase, but I guess because the phone is thinner, but I don't know, an increase would have been nice to see, but still, that's not a big deal breaker for me. I think this phone is so nice. I mean, I would go as far as to say, phone of the year maybe. Like, it's that good. I think it is. I'm gonna say it right now, phone of the year. If you don't believe me, you gotta see it in person to understand what I'm saying, because if you're anything like me and you're gonna get this phone, I think you're gonna love it. It's that good. And just like that, if you like this video, then like it, and if you loved it, then subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.